we are virtually traveling to Chido's Tex-Mex Grill to learn how to make guacamole with Chef Anna. Ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons chopped red onion, a pinch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon or less of jalapeno, 2 tablespoons lime juice, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon pepper, 2 peeled, pitted, and mashed avocados, and a half cup of tomato. Supplies needed is a large mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, a pear knife, a fork, tablespoon, teaspoon, and a half measuring cup. Two to 3 tablespoons of red onion, 1 pinch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon or less of jalapeno, and that is optional, 2 tablespoons lime juice, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper. Two avocados peeled, pitted, and mashed. Time to mash all the ingredients together. Half cup chopped tomatoes. Time to mix all the ingredients. Yay! You did it! Bon appetit!
Ask you, how did you learn how to make, how did you learn how to cook?
For the guacamole, I went on different restaurants and some different, they made different too. By my country, I made guacamole too. Yeah, by my country, I'm from El Salvador. By in El Salvador, we made like chopped avocados, white onions, salt and pepper, and we made the egg, the hard egg. Yeah, and we cut the egg and we make that one. This is for El Salvadorian guacamole, but this is for Mexico guacamole.
Nice.
Perfect.
Do you have any other questions?
And yeah, well, that was another question. Is where are you from? And you told us, and you told us about El Salvadorian guacamole. Which
Yeah,
is
it's
different.
for Salvador it's different.
And what's your favorite food from your country?
From El
My country,
Salvador, yeah.
pupusas.
Pupusas, yes.
Yeah.
Do you make pupusas?
I make pupusas.
What's your favorite stuffing?
I made the mixed one, cheese, beans, and pork. This is the best one.
That
And
sounds
how long have
good.
you lived in the United States?
Like 14 years.
14.
14 years.
Did you learn how to speak English here or in El Salvador?
In El Salvador, a little bit, and here.
Thank you so much. And I didn't hear what your name is.
Ana.
Anna.
Ana.
Thank you so much, Anna. The kids